Hub, the Readers Hub, and the Game Hub. The Social Hub is what pulls all together all of your social networking, your instant messaging, your email services, and it pushes them. So the user experience is when you buy the phone, you've bought that service. There's no additional subscription. It will depend on what the networks do with it, but that's the core of it. The Music Hub has 11 million songs behind it. Make your song lists, we'll do whatever you want to do. In addition to that Music Hub, there's also a service called Keys 2. Keys is our desktop software that talks to the phone.
Right, okay.
You install Keys on your phone, you can sweep your playlists and use them straight away. So if you've got playlists from on another system, you can just sweep them and use them onto there. So it becomes very compelling as a music device. As far as the Readers Hub is concerned, I press this and go into it now. Unfortunately, there's no Wi-Fi connection. The Readers Hub has about 2 million books sat behind it.
Okay.
It has about 2,500 newspapers, about 2,000 magazines. So around the world, pretty much everything. Of those 2.1 million books, 1.8 million are free. So
nice.
Just lots of stuff to read.
Yeah.
Get into your Shakespeare, get wherever else you wanted to do, it's in there. So that's quite exciting. The other thing is the Game Hub. The Game Hub at launch will have about 20-25 games on there. The product will ship as standard with Asphalt 6.
Are these designed specifically for this, or is it a general Android, or dependent on the developer?
Developer in this case is Gameloft, and they'll optimise it for the device.
Brilliant.
So there'll be some social networking games on there. There'll also be some really good games that exhaust the graphics, exhaust the processor.
Okay.
So if you take, at the moment, we've got Nova on the Galaxy Tab out there selling today. The beauty of these devices is it comes with a gyroscope.
Oh yeah.
This is going to be the crappiest demo you're going to watch for a little while because I can't show you. But the point about that gyroscope and Nova as an example is if I'm playing a shoot 'em up game and I want to shoot the person behind me, I don't have to toggle, I just swivel my hips.
Yeah.
So all of that kind of stuff is just there and exciting. So that gaming hub will bring those sort of games, and it will bring the social networking games. And those social networking games will also be visible through, this is very unfortunate, we haven't got a connection. We'll try and show you on another device in a second. You've got a home screen that pulls the stuff that you deem as important to you. It might be stock prices, it might be news, it might be about your Facebook people, it might be about any one of a number of things. Okay. It pulls from those 4 hubs, it puts everything in one place, and you can say, right, okay, this is me. I can run my life. And it moved on, this has moved on enormously in the space of 12 months alone. So
that's really quite customizable what you have on your home screen.
Oh, absolutely, you can customize the home screen. In addition to that, you see here you've got 7 screens across the front. So there's all sorts you could put on it.
Yeah.
If I want to say, oh, this is what's important to me, then bingo, it appears wherever I want it to appear.
Okay.
So pick your app. You've got 100,000, 110,000, whatever it is that's being quoted today. It's moving at such a pace. It will all be there.
Brilliant.